Okay, for the stitch buddy, you have the finger loop that you can use on pinky finger, ring finger. So if you need to choke up or extend it, depending on which part of the mouth you're working in, when you get ready to suture, you can free up your fingers to help aid in tying the knot. It's got a knurled texture surface inside the paddle that really grips the needle, almost impossible for it to pull out, keeping you protected. And it also has long beaks for tissue pickup. Okay, so with the stitch buddy, you can use it anywhere in the mouth, and quite frequently when you're in the back of the mouth, you can use it to help hold the tongue down, help pull your suture needle through. So you can do a lot. It has tissue forceps in to help manipulate the gingiva. And when you're done passing through the gingiva, this is what it's designed for. You clip the needle inside the paddle, and it keeps it protected, keeps it in one spot, keeps you from getting poked, keeps your assistant from getting poked, keeps the needle from flopping around and dragging all over the patient's face. Just never know, so it keeps it contained, keeps you protected. Also, when you learn to use it efficiently, it actually becomes a lot easier to tie your knots. And then once you cut, then the assistant will trim right next to it, and then it just stays inside those paddles, and when they go to clean up the operatory, they just open up the paddle and the needle drops right into the sharps container. Okay, we just got done with the extraction, the surgical, so after we're done suturing, the assistants will clip, but it'll be left inside the paddles retained so they can't poke themselves at all. And then when they're done doing cleanup, that just drops right into the sharps container.